Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to make sure that the watch is paired with a phone, because otherwise it won't work. Your watch needs to be paired with a phone via a Xiaomi or Mi Fitness application, otherwise this won't work. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue and we can open the Mi Fitness application, tap on device, and here you should see your Redmi Watch 6 on the device page if your watch is paired with your phone. Now, under the watch you will see this option called Manage Watch Faces. Tap on it. And here we have online store. And you can browse different categories to look for something you like. I'm gonna open the free category, and here we have different watch faces. There's quite a few of them actually, as you can see. So look for something you enjoy, and once you decide to install the watch face, you can simply tap on it. Here also you have like recommendations for different watch faces, as you can see. Actually, I like this one a bit more. And once you decide to apply the watch face, you tap on apply. It will start installing, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch. Okay, this took longer than I expected, but the watch face is installed and applied, and as you can see, we have a quite cute watch face on our watch now. And you can install multiple watch faces, but at some point you probably will run out of space. And to free up the space, you will need to go to the main page of the store, this one, then tap on local, and here we have the list of watch faces installed on our watch. And you can basically tap on one of the watch faces, and then if you open this menu, you can tap on more options icon and then tap on delete to remove the watch face from your watch. And that should allow you to free up some space for another watch face if you want to install something else. And basically that's it when it comes to installing additional watch faces. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.